Hi everyone, welcome to G Auntie's Kitchen. I've got here limeade. I know it has sugar, but I get to control this sugar. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in a bit. We'll be using limes, sugar. That's the two major ingredients, and then this is optional. I've got here almond flavor. It is a clear liquid. Don't want to add any other color to it. Limeade is basically sugar, limes, and water. Make the sugar syrup by dissolving sugar in equal amounts of water. You can use like a quarter cup of sugar to half a cup of sugar to 3/4 to 1, depending on the quantity of the lime. So I'll just start with half a cup of sugar. I'm going to pour in half a cup of water. I'm going to use the zest of 2 limes. By the way, it's hot water I poured on it, so it's already dissolving. Stick it on the stove and I'm going to allow the sugar to dissolve to get our syrup. It's already from that syrup color. The sugar has dissolved, so I'm going to take it off the heat and allow it to cool down. The syrup cools down, I'm going to roll the lime so I get more juice out of it. All done, so I'm cutting it up, getting ready to have it squeezed. Time to juice, starting with the zestless lime, the one I used the zest. This is the last one. I'm straining the lime flavored syrup. You don't want to be drinking zest. And then I used a spoon to press it down so I could get all the syrup out of it. I didn't show it. In a bowl, I'm going to strain out the lime juice, and to the pulp, which I strained, I'm going to add 2 cups of water to rinse it out. I'm adding half a teaspoon of almond flavor to the juice. Give it a good mix. I'm going to add the cool down sugar syrup. Mix it as well. Lime slices goes inside. It's limeade after all. The more lime flavor we get, the better. And I'll go right ahead and chill. I hope our limeade is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Bye.